Welcome to Nafaz Academy. Today's topic is right triangle trigonometry, dedicated to United States high school students. It is lecture 10 and the last lecture of the same topic. Here is your problem. A boat on the surface of the water detects a wall 42 feet at an angle of depression of 20 degree. What is the horizontal distance between the boat of the wall and what is the depth of the wall? That means here it is the board, and the angle is given here outside of the triangle. This angle is outside of the triangle. If you draw a line here, the surface of the water, so this line and that line are parallel, right? And here this line, for example, I write here A, it is B, it is C. The AC line is a connecting line between this parallel line, these two parallel lines. Okay, then that means 20 degree. If this one is 20 degree, that one also be 20 degree. It is called alternate angle. So we have angle here 20 degree, and the opposite side of this one is y, so it is oppo. It is 90 degree symbol. That means the opposite side of the 90 degree symbol is this one. It is hypotenuse. And it is rest of is adjacent. So we have to find out the y and the x. At first, y. So y means opposite. Y means it is opposite, and given value hypotenuse is 42. Opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, it is sine, right? Yes, sine. So sine theta equal opposite over hypotenuse. What is the theta value? Theta value is 20 degree. What is the opposite value? Opposite value is y. What is the hypotenuse value? It is 42 feet. Y equal 42 times sine 20. Sine 20 degree. So 42 times sine 42 times sine 20 degree. I'm using the calculator. It is 14.36 feet. It is your answer. And the next one is x. What is the distance? What is the distance between the boat and the well? Okay. Another one is x. Now, what is the distance? Depth of the well. Depth. And okay, let's find out the x here. X means it is adjacent and it is hypotenuse. Okay, it is adjacent and hypotenuse cos theta, right? Cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, as the theta value is 20 degree. Adjacent value, it is the cosine itself, and hypotenuse value 42. X equal 42 times cos 20 degree. 42 times cos 20 degree, it is 39.46. 39.46 feet. It is your another answer. So I hope you understand. It is a triangle. And this is the surface line of the boat here. Here is a boat, for example. It is 20 degree. This one and that on a parallel line. Do you understand? This one is that one is parallel line, and it is a connected line. So if it is 20 degree, that will also be 20 degree. It is alternate angle rolls, and it is 90 degree. So it is hypotenuse. It is opposite. It is adjacent. It is y. It is x. So y is your question and x is your question. What is the horizontal distance? That means this distance is called horizontal distance between the boat and the well. That means x is your question. And what is the depth of the water? That means y is your question. Do you understand? So y value, depth value is 14.36, and the horizontal distance means x, it is 39.46. It is your answer. Okay, thank you very much.